Let's go. I got big dreams, I'ma do big things. Yeah, you see me on the big screen looking so clean. I don't move slow, I move fast, right past anybody taking life for granted, yeah, that's too bad. I'd be grateful for everything that I have. You only got this life, you don't get it back. Make the most of it, become the best that I can. Everybody look at me, I got a plan. You gotta work hard, play hard, do it from the start. Cause how you do anything is everything is art. Stay consistent and do it every day. Don't let fatigue get in your way. Cause 10% of something is better than nothing. You better do something if you wanna be something. I can feel my stomach rumbling, I'm hungry. Big things coming, I ain't bluffing, yeah. No, I don't wanna stay the same, yeah. So I keep pushing.
Idol, okay lang ba?
Wasak din.
Grabe na, idol ko to.
Pareho kayo.
Grabe, pasag si Arvin yan.
Oh, hindi alam na bodybuilder ako. Alam agad na videographer.
Ikaw, sama natin si Argon.
Yes, sir. Sa WNBF.
WNBF. Tapos, first show yun, no?
First show, teams. Team. Last year yun.
Last year.
So, 2024, nag-second place ka. Ako, dalawa lang kami second place ako. So, teams
Tapos,
pa kasi yun. Pero, ngayon, lalaro ko ulit na...
Pero di ba nag-gold ka? NBA? Ayun, nag-gold.
BPH.
BPH. So yun, teens meeting.
Hindi, ano yun?
Open.
First timer. Pero hindi men's physique yun, ha? Men's fitness lang yun.
Pero sold pa din, mas fitness. So ngayon is your third upcoming show.
Hindi, third, fourth.
Fourth,
Nag-IFA ako last week. So, second na naman ulit.
Laging may nakukuha, bro. Tapos lagi may nakukuha. No?
Second ulit.
So ngayon, peak week si Argon. Hihingi muna tayo ng konting tips lang para sa mga first-timer. First time na magko-compete. Kasi ako, first time ko magko-compete. So,
Mabibigay ko lang na advice. Kasi yung first time ko, sobrang kapado ko talaga sa stage. Hindi ko kasi alam yung feeling kung nandun ka na sa stage. Pero ang na-learn ko doon sa kamali ko, hindi ko in-enjoy yung show. Kumbaga, talagang, alam mo yung parang gusto mong manalo sobra. Pero, dahil sobrang gusto mong manalo, kinakabahan ka. So, nalimutan mo nang i-enjoy yung show. Key points para sa akin. Enjoy mo yung show at feel free kasi pinaghirapan mo yan. Kumbaga, i-showcase mo ng confident ka. Tapos, enjoy mo lang talaga. Talagang, ang nanaisip ko na doon, parang bahala na to. Kung ano maging resulta, happy na ako kasi binigyan ko naman yung best. So, tapos yan, bonus na lang yun. First place ako sa category na yun.
instead na i-compare mo yung sarili mo sa other people.
Yan. Pero, competitive.
Pro, WNBF pro.
Pero, ito na lang yung ngayon, di ba? Wala, iwasan na lang din natin ang enjoy natin sa nangyayari sa iba kasi ano yun, parang dyan na ako yung happiness sa to na ano natin, parang yung full potential mo dapat na parang i-stuck ka. I-stuck ka talaga kasi na-compare mo yung sarili mo sa iba pero lahat naman tayo may mga different kinds sa fitness natin. So, bonus na lang pag may reward.
Okay guys, so afternoon, nalobat yung phone ko pero napakadami pa namin na pag-usapan ni Argon off-cam. And yan, nagpusing kami konti. And napakadaming tips and insights niya pang ibinigay. And sobrang na-appreciate ko yun kasi sobrang humble ng batang to. Imagine at age of 20 or 19, napaka-grabe din ang hassle. Yung sacrifices and efforts nito ni Argon, grabe din. Kaya we wish you all the best sa upcoming competitions mo, brother, and see you soon. Workout soon. Okay, so into this workout voiceover, magkwentuhan lang tayo. Gusto kong pag-usapan bakit nga ba ako magko-compete for a bodybuilding show. As some of you may know, I am a powerlifter and basketball player. Yun talaga. And yun, since I am a strength athlete, this is a whole different sport or level for me. And I think magiging challenging talaga sa akin to kasi bodybuilding is a sport wherein it challenges you physically and especially mentally, lalo na kung paano mo itatawid yung prep while balancing your outside life, yung may mga social gatherings, may mga isa-sacrifice ka mga bagay-bagay, and it's all about how you will handle yourself and the people around you during this prep. Kumbaga yung physical aspect, medyo kaya pang i-handle eh. Pero yung mental aspect, yun talaga yung susubok sa'yo. Although yes, iba siya sa strength sport kasi pagdating sa competition day, magiging subjective pa din since this will be based on the judges criteria, feedback, posing. Pero at the end of the day, sport is a sport. This is still about kung paano yung best package na ipapakita mo and kung paano mo may itatawid yung prep mo. So, yun yung nagustuhan ko dito. Although ito na nga, kahit early days prep pa lang, medyo nararamdam ko na yung challenging part. And I'm preparing myself mentally, not just physically, as the prep goes by or sa mga susunod pang weeks kasi alam ko hindi ito magiging piro kasi marami tayong binabalance. Meron tayong life outside bodybuilding, meron tayong relationship, meron tayong family, may business, and yun, yung mga bagay na yun. And my goal for this is hindi ko mapabayaan yung life outside bodybuilding while being on prep at the same time to compete at my highest level or sa mga competitions na pupuntahan ko, syempre. So, yun lang. And quick physic update ulit. Medyo depleted na dito. So, siguro next video, papakita ko kung ano ba yung approach ko sa nutrition and training para at least makapagbigay ulit ako ng tips based on my experience and my knowledge. Salamat sa mga nanonood. So, yun lang muna guys today. Peace out.